I'm Sarah Borkson-Keto here in New York for NAREIT's REIT Week 2018 Investor Conference. Today I'm joined by Jerry Barag, President and CEO of CatchMark Timber Trust. Welcome, Jerry.
Good to see you.
So last month, CatchMark participated in a $1.4 billion joint venture to acquire just over 1 million acres of prime East Texas timberland. Can you explain the structure of the deal and what that means to the company going forward?
So this is one of the largest transactions that's happened in the last decade in the timberland sector. It's a very large transaction. And CatchMark led a partnership of institutional investors that are going to invest alongside of us in buying the $1.4 billion worth of timberland. And so we will be the largest single investor in that partnership, but that only represents about 25% of the capital that is being invested.
And how would you describe the macro demand factors for the other areas that you're focusing on?
So we as a company believe that we have acquired the consistently highest quality portfolio of timberlands in the sector. And that has been producing great gains for us from the standpoint of market prices going up in those places where we're doing business today, which is not necessarily consistently happening across the whole sector. The sector is in a recovery mode after the housing crisis, and this has been going on for the better part of 10 years. There are sub-markets within the timberland sector that are certainly performing much better than others.
And what are you seeing in terms of export demand, specifically China and India?
So export demand has kind of risen and fallen over the last couple of years, and we're on another upswing again, and that's particularly focused around Chinese exports. The strongest markets for that today are in the Pacific Northwest, but we've had a very robust market in the U.S. South as well, which has been increasing at double-digit rates almost on a month-to-month basis, with exports of southern yellow pine going into China.
Great. Well, thank you very much, Jerry.
Sure thing.
And for more from REIT Week 2018, be sure to visit REIT.com.